This hand movement is called the Bill of Rights.
First Amendment protects how many things?
5.
Freedom of
Speech, religion, press, petition, assembly.
Second Amendment.
Pow, 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 pow.
You have the right to,
Bear arms.
which means own guns. Third Amendment. Get those threes, make a house, put it over your head.
Get out of my house, soldiers.
No quartering soldiers during peacetime. Fourth Amendment. Get those four fingers, wrap them around your thumb. It's the police knocking on the door. What are you going to say?
Please come back with a warrant.
Very good. Fifth Amendment. Get those five fingers, put them over your mouth. Ooh, you have the right to remain silent. Okay. Sixth Amendment. You have the right to a speedy trial by jury in criminal cases. Seventh Amendment. Right to a speedy trial by jury in civil cases, which is an argument between two people over money. Very good, very good. Eighth Amendment, get your two little circles, put them together, pull the top one up, it's your noose, put it over your head. No cruel or unusual punishment. Ninth Amendment, get your dustpan, get your dust broom, sweep up all those extra rights, put them in your pocket, because these rights are reserved for the people. And lastly, put on your fancy white waiter gloves and pull out the chair, because these rights are reserved for the state. Oh my gosh. Now turn and high five somebody and say, "You're so smart, you know your Bill of Rights."